Hi, this is the project charter for the EDTech certificate project. Our project is the redesign of the IDT Certificate in Educational Technology, which is a program that is currently offered by the University of Memphis. It's designed for educators who want to integrate technology with learning in PK through 12 schools and institutions of higher learning. It is an online program. It's comprised of 4 courses: IDT 7061, 7062, 7063, and 7064. The need for the project arose because IDT faculty would like to implement a badge system. Digital badging is a way to display knowledge that you have learned. So if you complete a course or a certificate and you earn a digital badge, if you want to think of it kind of like a merit badge, it's a way to display visually what you have learned in a particular course. It is a digital image that people can see, but behind that image is data that shows what you learned in more detail. So more detail than you would see on a transcript, for instance. And if you earn a badge, you get to keep that badge and you can display it on your website and on your portfolio, your blog, social media, etc. We are going to use an open source badge issuing system, so we're not going to create the system to issue badges, but we are going to design our own badges. So our badges will be original designs, and then the courses will basically be an updated version of what is currently there for the certificate program. You can see some dates here: project start date, project finish date, goals and critical success factors. Going to update and further develop the modules and resources for these courses. We're going to integrate newer instructional models. We're going to implement the badges, of course. Critical success factors. Newer instructional models are effectively integrated into the courses. Badges are implemented. Assumptions. The assumptions for the course are basically assumptions that would apply to any online course. We're assuming basic computer skills, basic internet skills. Constraints. Graphics for the project will be developed within Adobe Creative Cloud, so that's Photoshop, Illustrator. But the project will utilize an open source badge issuing platform that already exists, and that we haven't totally nailed down exactly which platform we're going to use. We're discussing that. And then, of course, another thing that is in discussion is if we're going to use D2L or if it's going to be offered through Google Classroom. Risks and obstacles. Obstacles would be we are 5 team members collaborating remotely, so we're not able to meet physically in person. We have to communicate through email, Google Hangouts, Google+, discussion forums, things like that. And then time constraints for developing 4 online courses within 1 semester. There is a risk of compatibility issues with multiple software products and online resources. Here's a breakdown of the financial side of things. I'm not going to go through each item, but we've roughly calculated this will be about 460 hours of work for $31,000. Personnel, our 2 clients are Dr. Mims and Dr. Towns. Project manager is Brooke. Lead instructional designer is Anna Carey, or AC. Lead e-learning developer is Travis. Lead evaluator, Melissa. Lead team site manager, Dell. Materials, like I said before, we're going to use Adobe Creative Cloud, graphic design tools such as the Wacom Intuos Pen and Touch tablet, various online resources such as Weebly, Google+, Google products in general, and then the badge platform, which we have Mozilla Open Badges as an example here. Here's a breakdown of project milestones, the dates, and then roles and responsibilities. It's the same people I just mentioned, and then client sign-off.